everyone, welcome back to Tips and Tricks. So today we're going to be doing something different. So as in the last video we have seen Windows 11 compatibility. But there have been a lot of issues in the minimum requirements, especially with TPM, Trusted Platform Module. So it needs Windows 11 needs TPM 2.0. So it's more like a security processor. So there is a way to check if you have TPM, or you can buy TPM, or there's a software for TPM. So there are two sort of TPMs. One is the firmware TPM and one is the digital TPM. Digital TPM means they come directly with the software with Windows 10, and a firmware TPM means they're integrated into the motherboard, or there is a specific chip, a separate chip for TPM. So now we are gonna see if you have TPM in a PC. So first you have to press Windows X. Then you have to open Device Manager. After opening Device Manager, so here is Device Manager. You will get a PC name, and then when you go down, you get something called Security Devices. So in Security Devices, when you click on the drop down button, you get Trusted Platform Module 2.0. So you'll get a pop-up, and it'll tell you general drivers, details, the events, resources, if it's working properly, or from what. For example, this TPM's location is from Microsoft Compliance System. That's an example. So like that, and don't use any of these features like uninstall device. Never uninstall devices. See, we are just using this just for touching. Should not delete anything. You should not add. We should not do anything. You may click one simple mistake and it's all gonna go away. The whole of Windows 10 can crash if you do anything wrong. For example, you remove some processors. For example, processors. By mistake, delete a processor. You're deleting a lot of your CPUs. See, now I have this a quad core, means 4 cores processor in my computer. But each physical core is like 2 cores. So that's why I have 8. So if you delete anything, don't delete anything in this thing unless you know what you're doing. Don't delete anything. Don't even follow websites. So that's it for this video, guys. So I hope you all have TPM installed on your PCs. Thank you everyone, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.